In this video, I'll show you how to rename an account in Metamask. First, open Metamask and unlock your wallet. Make sure you're on the account you want to rename. Next, click the three-dot menu next to the account name. Look for account details or the option to edit the account name depending on your Metamask version. After that, select the account name and enter the new name you want to use. Choose something easy to recognize, such as main wallet, trading, or savings. Now, save your changes and return to the main wallet screen. The new account name should appear in your account list. Finally, remember that renaming an account only changes how it is labeled in your Metamask wallet. It does not change the wallet address or your assets. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to rename an account in Metamask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.